Just installed this new Rheem hybrid hot water heater. It's been running now for about 4 days. About every 24 hours, I've been getting a alarm condition. You can come in and check the alarm condition, I think by going to next. Let me see here. So it tells you current alarms. You can scroll down. Getting this T009 compressor wiring may be faulty. So I called the 800 number here, talked to the Rheem technician. They do pick up the phone, actually, respond pretty quickly. They're going to want to know your serial number and then they're going to step you through some diagnostics, looking at the upper outlet temperature, lower outlet temperature, or element temperature, things like that. But you can clear this alarm by getting just the clear alarms here. So it clears that T009 alarm. If you press the mode and next here, goes into the test mode. You can come in here, look at the compressor, you hit next, it gives you, or I'm sorry, enter. It gives you the different temperatures here that they'll want you to check out. But long story short, current, lower element, upper element. It does. Long story short is, after they have you look at those indications or those temperatures, they're going to evaluate if you need to replace the control board here. So that's what I need to do, is replace this control board. Apparently there was a faulty batch of control boards. So I will show that here in a minute.